for second time model. It's second time, right? Natural. Actually, go on. Okay, go there. I think you put more flowers everywhere. Hi guys. Alright. Today we have our model Singy here. Alright, as you can see, it's like kind of event. Freaking, it's raining. Hi, yeah. And hey guys, Simon. God. Alright. Why raining?
I can foresee all our lenses getting wet though.
Yeah.
But don't worry, I brought glasses cloth, so we can use
Glasses cloth, okay. By the way, no worries with no flower there. Draw for you. Yeah. How's that? Yeah. You can choose, I don't know.
Wow, bro, you can be that, man.
Yeah, if there's no flower. That flower background. Oh, okay. How about this? One of us help hold umbrella out for the other photographer.
I hope that
Can. If you don't want. Okay, let's go. We try the that flower. You see the yeah. Go. Yeah. Do video thing.
It's still recording? Oh, yeah.
Can we do one without the cap?
Without the cap.
Then you just like look up at the that's all. Okay, so I'll teach you the photo. So without the cap, you like that.
Okay.
Just feel the rain. This is so improvised.
I mean, rain is a different element.
I know.
Oh, okay.
And the out in open. Yeah.
Go first since it's camera, is it?
Oh yeah, I can.
Really? Oh, okay. Sure. Come.
Then I hold.
Yeah, you hold. Okay. Rotate.
So you can do something.
With this, like that?
Hey, go.
Wait, how about this? That's alright.
Actually, to be honest, right, I feel like this would be better. Serious, like this. Yeah, because like this looks like it's like a bro handshake or something.
Sanchez, you son of a bitch! Need some people for a thing.
Yeah, this. Yeah.
You know what? I'm concerned that I might drop her, but no.
Yeah, so don't worry. I mean, correct. Just don't fall. That looks better. It looks way better. Yeah. Yeah.
better? For a second time shooter, right? This is her second time modeling. She's actually quite natural. And I'm not just saying that just because she's in front of the camera and I'm, yeah.
She's saying that because I'm good.
Yes. Alright guys, that's a wrap. Okay, I'll leave her Instagram and his Instagram down in the description below. Go follow them. Alright, bye bye.